Hello everyone, I hope you're well. It's a bit fresher this morning, so I've got a jacket on, so it's definitely the weather is starting to change. I think next week it goes below the 20s in the day, so we are trying to landscape the garden before the colder weather sets in, I would say. So that's why I've done the grass seeding now over the last couple of weeks and things like that. But Yuliya has done some landscaping as well. She bought some lovely plants to go in a few kind of nice flower borders that we're doing at the front and the back. So we're just trying to get that in as best we can. I've been digging over the soil, trying to create the flower beds for that, whilst obviously seeding all this area behind me and watering lots because it hasn't rained for 2 weeks here at the moment. So yeah, we've decided we wanted to spend quite a bit of time in the garden, just kind of show you what can be achieved so far on a plot that's a fair size that we've got here, but it's, you know, it's not huge, but it's enough space to make recreational areas, plants, trees, things like that. So yeah, lots going on outside. We've kind of finished inside. I am going to do a full video on the house completion and pretty much what we did, like a before and after of the flood. So look out for that video in the next week or so. Also, yeah, make sure you're following us on Telegram as well. We've got some really good chats going on in there, some really good subscribers sharing things in there as well, up to over 900 subscribers. So make sure you follow us on Telegram as well. And I will publish all my content, as I said, on YouTube, RuTube, and snippets on Telegram and things like that. So just make sure, yeah, you're following us on there. You know, like, subscribe, share this video. And I'll just show you some of the landscaping now. Yuliya is going to explain what flowers and small plants we've decided to put in. Hopefully they'll survive the cold, harsh winter here. I'm actually looking forward to winter now. It's magical here, especially now it's going a little bit cooler. It's like, yes, it's that kind of time to get prepared for winter and things like that. But it's an exciting time of the year as well. So yeah, hopefully I can make some more exciting videos about the transition of the seasons, because yeah, it's just being an Englishman, not used to kind of winters that much, that harsh. It's always fascinating. So yeah, I'll try and share my stories on that, and hopefully do a bit more skiing or snowboarding as well once the weather starts to set in for winter. But yeah, that's what we're doing. So let me just show you a few bits, and Yuliya will explain what we've been doing. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. So what are we planting? What's that one?
So this is a stilba, unique. It's gonna be red.
Red?
Yes. So this is Buddleia.
Buddleia.
Buddleia, what do you call it in English?
Yeah, Buddleia.
Buddleia, yeah. And it's gonna be like almost blue color.
Blue color, wow.
Yeah. Oh, this is Forsythia. So basically it's yellow flowers with yellow flowers first thing in February in the UK, and it's gonna flower here in April, hopefully. And then Spirea japonica, dark red.
So it's like a pink.
Yeah, it looks pink to me. And then we have what's it, Cornus Alba Elegantissima.
Sounds very Italian.
Yeah. And what's that? We had this plant in the UK.
Your favourite in the UK?
Yeah, Sambucus Black Tower.
Cool.
And hydrangea.
Hydrangea,
Yes.
back there. And then this was just some grass that washed up from the floods, and we decided to keep it. Well, Yuliya decided to keep it, and I think it's really nice, really green.
Yeah, nice color.
And then where I've marked just here, that's where flower bed is going to be. And then this is all seeded grass, and then we will put a path through at some point. But yeah, we dug over this, but it's a bit dry, so it was quite difficult to dig over. But Yuliya's chosen all the lovely plants, and we're going to put those in and enjoy for the rest of early autumn into early winter, and then hopefully they'll survive, and come spring they will look lovely again. So yeah, this is our little flower bed area. So I'll start from this side of the house today. This is, it's early morning, so this gets the least sun in the morning, and it'll come right round and the sun sets with the evening sun in there. It gets the morning sun round that way. But as you can see, the grass is really starting to grow now. This the area in the background was the first to put down, and then this was the last bit of the front I put down at the same time as the back as well. So it's really starting to come through now. It is looking a little bit patchy because the trouble was the soil was very, very dry. So I tried to break it up as best I could in places, but just looks a little bit patchy, but it's coming through. And yeah, it's taking a lot of watering, but it's going to look lovely. It's just a nice bit of green against the fence now as well. So really growing here. I'll have to probably give it a cut in about a week or so. I'm making a flower bed there as well. But where we've put some of the flowers are here. So that's kind of it finished. We did put some kind of black cloth down just to protect it from weeds, because yeah, we do get quite a lot of weeds, especially since the floods. It brought quite a lot. So that's pretty much what we've been up to. It's all growing nicely, and then it'll be a nice green grass going right the way around, which will be lovely. And then the flower bed here as well. And then we will finish the fence. We've actually got the new sheeting delivered. So that's the double-sided sheeting that's going to go all along here and at the front as well. So yeah, it'd be just nice to get that kind of privacy finished. I think they may be starting that today, and then I'll tidy up everything afterwards, and the electrics should be all finished over the next week or so. But yeah, that's what we've been up to, and yeah, it's just looking a little bit nicer than when we first started tidying up in March, April. But yeah, we're gradually getting there, and hopefully it will be established enough to survive the winter. Thank you.